Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Age, follower count, and regional restrictions matter because TikTok gates live access. Once confirmed, install or update TikTok Live Studio and run it as administrator to avoid permission blocks. Next, grant camera and microphone permissions in your OS. Without them, the app can't register devices. Then open Creator Tools on TikTok, locate live settings, and copy your stream key. You do this now because a valid key is required before pushing any video feed into the studio. Now you configure the core stream settings. Choose an encoder. Hardware encoders reduce CPU use, while X264 gives wider compatibility. Set bitrate around 5 to 6 Mbps depending on resolution. Then pick your camera and microphone inside Studio and arrange scenes so overlays and sources are ordered correctly. Make sure resolution matches TikTok's vertical or horizontal target. Mismatches cause black bars or rejected streams. Also, whitelist Live Studio in your firewall and close any app. Finally, always run a private test stream first so you can verify audio, video, and chat without affecting viewers. Watch for dropped frames and unstable bitrate. If you see problems, reduce bitrate or resolution. Once tests are clean, go live publicly and keep an eye on CPU, GPU, and network meters. This helps you intervene before a disconnect. If you still have no access, clear Live Studio cache, sign out, and back in. Update GPU drivers, or ask TikTok to reset your stream key. These steps usually restore access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.